In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email pop-up to Squarespace. An email pop-up is a great way to grow your mailing list, promote a special offer, or highlight important updates for your visitors. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along inside your own Squarespace dashboard. First, log into your Squarespace account and head over to your main home dashboard. This is the screen you see right after you choose your site. If you manage more than one website, make sure you've selected the correct one before you continue. On the left-hand side, look for the option labeled Website and click on it. This takes you into the main area where you control the pages, design, and settings for your site. Next, in that same left-hand menu, click on Pages. Even though we're not creating a new page right now, this is the section where Squarespace keeps a lot of tools related to your site content and structure. Once you're in the Pages view, look again at the left side menu and find Marketing Tools. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Squarespace groups features that help you promote your site and engage visitors. Inside Marketing Tools, you'll see an option called Promotional Pop-up. This is the feature we're going to use to create your email pop-up. Click on Promotional Pop-up to open its settings. At the top of this screen, you'll see a toggle switch that turns the pop-up on or off. Click on the toggle to enable it. As soon as it's turned on, your pop-up will be active on your live site once you save your changes, so we'll customize it before we finish. Now take a moment to edit the pop-up so it matches your goals and your brand. Under Action, you can choose what the pop-up does, such as showing a newsletter sign-up form or using buttons that link to a page or an offer. Under Content, update the headline and body text so it clearly explains what visitors get by subscribing or clicking. Then adjust display and timing to control when and how often the pop-up appears. For example, after a certain number of seconds or page views. Finally, go into Style to choose fonts, colors, and animations so the pop-up matches your site's design and looks professional, not distracting. When you're happy with everything, click Save. Your email pop-up is now live and ready to start capturing visitors' attention and growing your list.